Hi kids, welcome back to our videos. Today we are going to make this parrot. Yes, let's get started. First, take your blank papers and start drawing the face of a parrot. So like this, make a beak, this coming down. Go very slowly, and from here, like this. Then the shape. Okay. Here, give two lines like this, and then make their eyes. A big circle and then a small inside it. Once you are done with this, now the next part is one big and then one small joining to it, like the tail of the parrot. So this way, till here it's done. Inside this part I'm going to draw some lines like this. It's very easy. Now, as you had seen, this part is little big. So this way, and then joining to this part. Okay. Once you are done till here, then I'm going to make a branch on which the parrot is sitting. So this way, going to add some leaves here, one more like this, then the third one from here like this. So once this is ready, now make the same branch like this and this, and joining here. Okay, so once this is done, then make some stems here, adding as much stems as you want. And here what I'm going to do, just random stems like this only, and adding leaves. Okay, same way here. Then here I'm going to make a little bunch of leaves and one here. So this way, done. Now do the detailing of the parrot. So here I'm going to draw a pattern like this inside this shape, going very slow, some big, some small. After this, what I'm going to do in rest of the part, I'm going to make lines like this. Now the last part is to make the feet of the bird. So for that, just give like this, like this. It seems like the bird is sitting on the branch. So this way, the drawing part is done. Now it's time to sketch our part with the black marker. I'm going to pick my black marker and start with this branch part. First, going very slow and cover all the pencil marks with the black marker. Now once I finish with the black outline, now I start adding color. For that I had just picked the red color first to start with the parrot beak. So this way, try to give a little shading effect. In this part, red color, and once you are finished with the red, then we'll color the parrot with the light green crayon. So here I had picked crayons, wax crayons. You can even take sketch pens or any colors, any mode of colors. Okay. So very slowly, so that it looks beautiful and not go out of the boundaries. I'm going to cover my whole parrot with the light green first. So this way, keep on adding green inside the parrot. So now the light green is done. After this, I had picked my darker green, and with the help of that darker green, I'm going to cover all the edges like this and slowly give the shade inside the parrot, so that gives beautiful look of a pattern. See, like this I will do the shading inside the bird. And once you are done with this part, same way in the inside patterns, very little shading. Now here you can do in the circular motion so that it looks real, like this way. After this, it's time to add color in the branch part and the leaves. So for that, I'm picking my brown color, going very slowly and filling inside the branch first. This you will cover. So this way, now after filling in the parrot and in this branch, I'm going to fill colors in the leaf part. So for that, I'm picking my darker green shade and not going to fill it completely. See, as you can see, only in the middle part I had filled the green, and the rest I have leave it like this only to give the shading with the light green crayon. So this way I complete with all my leaves. Same way here. So once I'm done with this, first I will give a little yellow shade in the leaf, and then I'm going to cover it with the light green shade. Like this, you can give the effect of yellow in the leaves, and then light green color. With the help of light green, I'm going to fill the entire leaf like this. Now can you see how pretty the leaves are looking? So this way our leaves are all done. And with the help of yellow, I'm going to give a little touch the feathers of the parrot like this, so that it looks little shiny. Not much, only a very little, like this. And same in the face part, like this. Now with the help of the black sketch pen, now can you see how beautiful is it looking? And remember, in the last I'm going to add that I learned it on, from where did you learn? From KidsNagri channel. So our bird is ready. Now keep making your own parrot and coloring it till the next time, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.